What's up guys, ngayong araw muli tayo magre-react sa banda Mission Souls, yung kanilang pinakabagong cover song na Bahama Mama. Ayan, tignan natin kung gaano kagaling dito ang bandang Mission Souls. Ayan, Bonnie M ang kumanta guys. Kakaiba yung genre ng tugtugan nila ngayon. Gusto ko yun yung strumming ni Nisha. Sarap pakinggan, ano?
Bahama, Bahama Mama, got the biggest house in town, Bahama Mama, Bahama.
Ganda ng bassline ni Daddy Second dito. Parang tunog disco, no?
Bahama Mama, but her trouble's getting down, Bahama Mama. She has 6 daughters and not one of them is married yet, and she's looking high and low.
Ganda talaga ng boses ni Stacy tsaka ni Mama Sheena.
And none of the plays ever hard to get, so if you're lonesome, go there, go. Bahama, Bahama Mama,
Astig na areglo nito.
you should all be looking for Bahama Mama, Bahama, Bahama Mama.
Yung may second voice si Nisha. Eh, nagpa-flash dun sa screen.
And I'm sure you will adore Bahama Mama. Bahama, Bahama Mama.
May nakakalam ba guys kung anong klaseng genre to? Yung tugtugan nila ngayon. Ayun, i-comment nyo lang guys sa mga nakakalam.
Got the biggest house in town, Bahama Mama, Bahama, Bahama Mama, but her trouble's getting down, Bahama Mama. You meet her daughters, they'll be treating you to honey cake.
Bagong gupit si si Ice. Bagay na bagay sa kanya yung hairstyle niya ngayon.
They'll be sweet and nice to you, and maybe there's one you like to take. Well, then you know just what to do. Bahama, Bahama Mama,
Anong taon ba sumikat tong kanta na to guys?
she is really in a fix. Bahama Mama, Bahama, Bahama Mama, being stuck with all the six. Bahama Mama.
Siguro madalas patugtugin sa disco to, no? Nung araw. Yan, may harmony rin sila guys.
Bahama, Bahama Mama, got the biggest
Nakakahindak yung tugtugan nila na to.
house in town, Bahama Mama, Bahama, Bahama Mama, but her trouble's getting down, Bahama Mama. The thing is, each of them was like a gorgeous movie queen.
Ito nakakatuwa sa banda Mission Souls, hindi lang talaga sila pang rock o pang pop. Kahit anong genre, swak din sa kanilang banda.
Everyone a perfect find, and if the men refuse that beauty sleep, he simply can't make up his mind. Bahama, Bahama Mama.
Napansin ko lang parang yung nakapokus yung camera kanina kay Ice. Parang naka-disable yung kanyang double pedal, yung isa lang yung pumapala. Siguro depende sa sa klase ng tugtugan nila.
Got the biggest house in town, Bahama Mama, Bahama, Bahama Mama, but her trouble's getting down, Bahama Mama.
Ang husay talaga mag-mix ni Daddy Second. Galing nun. Yung patapos na yan. Grabe. O di ba guys, isa na namang malupit na cover song ang ating natunghayan sa banda Mission Souls. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo? Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel guys, mag-subscribe na kayo. Supportahan natin ang bandang Mission Souls at panoorin yung kanilang mga video na napakagaganda guys. At mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa ating munting channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating ilalabas na video reaction. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.